Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open an account on SportyBet. The first thing I want you to do is just come to sportybet.com and just choose your location preference right here and then hit confirm. Then at the top right you'll actually see register. I want you to go ahead and click on that. It'll ask you for your mobile number and it'll ask you to set your password. So go ahead and fill in that information, and then I want you to come here and click on create account. So that is what I'll go ahead and do right now. I'll fill in my information. Now they'll actually ask you how you would like to receive your 6-digit code, because you need to verify your phone number before you can proceed. So you can either SMS to yourself a one-time password, you can get it by voice or Telegram. To choose whichever one is applicable to you, I'll go ahead and choose SMS. And as you can see, my registration is successful after I entered my one-time code, and then you can start depositing money into your account. So just go to deposit, there's 0 fees, and then you begin with that process. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to App Mentor.